Hi, I am Starkey from Driftworks.com and we are the world's largest distributor of Nardi personal steering wheels. So Nardi steering wheels are handmade steering wheels made all the way in Italy. I'm going to have a quick look at the Nardi Deep Corn, which has been finished in our own bespoke Driftworks finish. All of the Nardis arrive in these lovely grey Nardi boxes and we'll have a quick look inside. So the steering wheel will come bagged to stop any scratches or rubbing you may get due to transportation. So you get the steering wheel itself, obviously. You get this Nardi certificate of authentication, which proves that it is a genuine Nardi, so you don't get this on fake Nardi steering wheels. It also has a little rub-off spot with the unique steering wheel number that matches this steering wheel. So you have to rub this off, go on the Nardi website, and you can register this steering wheel. So they also come with a genuine Nardi personal horn button. Again, this is the perfect size for this. Quick thing to note with the horn button, you may get your steering wheel and think, oh my god, it's the wrong size. But actually, this sits perfectly flush in the boss. It's not designed to fit snug in the steering wheel. The steering wheel then is a 350mm Nardi Deep Corn. It has 80mm of dish, and that's measured from the top of the grip to the base. This is finished in perforated leather, and then we've got a Driftworks orange stitching all the way around, a Driftworks orange centre point, and then nicely the Driftworks logo just along the top, so you can always stare at Driftworks whenever you're driving. As with all Nardi steering wheels, they have the signature of Mr. Nardi himself on one of the spokes, and that's another indicator that you're getting a genuine steering wheel. None of these eBay tat you can find on the internet. All Nardi steering wheels are handmade. So there is a lead time, but we keep a lot of these in stock ready for next day dispatch, and we can ship anywhere in the world. So if you're in America, Australia, UK, Papua New Guinea, you can have a Driftworks steering wheel. So this is just a small part of the Nardi range that we offer at Driftworks.com. So if you want to get a similar wheel but without any of the Driftworks logos, we do offer like a red stitching version or a black stitching, and then again you can get different coloured centres and all that sort of thing, so you can find the right Nardi wheel to suit your car. But if you have any questions, drop us a message at shop@driftworks.com or slide into our socials at Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter, and we will happily answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching, and just a reminder, this is a 350mm Nardi Deep Corn Driftworks edition. So there we go.